Hey, if you want to connect your Huawei FreeBuds 5i with your Android phone, we've got two methods. We can do this by the standard Bluetooth settings and by Huawei AI Live application. And thanks to this app, we'll get more features. Like for example, we will be able to adjust the sound quality, sound equalizer, and for example, the noise cancellation. So first, let's perform the standard pairing by the Bluetooth settings. So we have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking like that. And of course, we have to keep that case open and input both earbuds inside. So right now on your Android device, on your Android phone, when you open the Bluetooth settings and tap to pair new device, you can find Huawei FreeBuds 5i on the list. So when you select them, accept the pairing, you will be successfully connected. And the next step, we have to open the browser and we have to be connected to the mobile data or Wi-Fi network. And you have to open the official Huawei website and you have to find this application. So let me show you how it looks step by step. So type Huawei AI Live application in search pool and select this Huawei website. When you are here, you have to tap to install now. If you have any permissions, just accept everything. And then you have to tap on the install button. Okay, for some reason we will move to the Play Store, but normally we are downloading this file via browser. But I guess if you have the same issue like in my case, let's clear all of the history on our browser. So go to the clear browsing data, go to the advanced and clear almost everything from all time. So clear the data, close this website, and let's do this one more time. Let's get it. Let's open the website. Try to install now. Accept all of these permissions and tap to install right now. And when you have this notification, tap to download via browser. I'm gonna skip this step because I already have this on my phone. So I just only have to go to the downloads and I have to tap on this. When the download will be finished, you have to repeat the same steps. So tap on it, click on the install button. Right now it is installing, so we have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then tap open. Click next, tap agree, and tap right here on this notifications, accept everything. As you can see right now we are connected and it's thanks to this previously connection by the standard Bluetooth settings. And here we have to download some kind of the plugin, so let's click. As you can see, it goes pretty fast. And right now the plugin is downloaded, so we can try to open the earbuds. And as you can see, here we are. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.